Please report any suspicious items or behavior, and do not leave your luggage unattended. Unattended items will be impounded.
Michael, what you doing, big boy? What you doing? Hello? Did you guys call me or did I call you by accident? Hi, baby. Did you guys call me or did I call you by accident? Alright, I'll talk to you later. We're at the airport right now. 3:53. Alright, I'll talk to you later. Alright, bye. Michael, what you doing? What you doing? What you doing, baby? What you doing? You playing with the toys? You tell Mama you're at the airport. Say bye-bye.